Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily translate your document using immersivetranslate.com. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website immersivetranslate.com, and after you have found this website, you can install browser plugin for desktop use, or you can use it directly on your phone or tablet. And here I'm going to use it on my desktop. So we can choose the browser we want to install this plugin. And then I have selected Chrome and I have installed the plugin on my Chrome. So I'm just going to use it. I'm going to create new tab on my Chrome, and then we can click on this extension. Okay, and this is the Immersive Translate. I'm going to tap on that. And then here, if you want to translate a document, you just need to select or upload your document, or you can select text. But here, I'm just going to select document. For example, I'm going to translate PDF document. All right, and you can choose the target language here. The file is in English, and I'm going to translate it to Indonesian, for example. Okay, and this is the translation. Okay, as you can see guys, that the document has been translated to Indonesian. This is for the original document, and this is the translation. Okay, and then you just need to click on translate all and download to get the document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to easily translate document. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.